Hi, I'm Lisa from Lori's Country Cottage. Welcome to How Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about Block of the Month programs. What are they? How do they work? And what options are right for you? Join me and we'll talk about Block of the Month. Let's talk Block of the Months. What are they and why would you want to do them? First of all, as quilters, when we've been quilting a long time, we think that everybody knows what we're talking about. So we had a customer one time ask a question, what is a block of the month? I have to do the whole quilt in 1 month? Well, no, a block of the month is exactly the opposite of that. A block of the month means that we take a quilt, we break it up into manageable pieces that you work on a little bit each month. Let me tell you about the options for block of the month. You have the option to buy the full kit all at once. And this is what it would look like. Your fabric is cut by yardage, not into little pieces. That's a benefit to you. You may have some fabric left over in the end. Another reason to purchase the whole kit is we have free shipping on purchases over $225, so that would most often cover the shipping on a block of the month. And you get to do the whole thing at once. If you're someone who likes to start a project and just sit down and go, then purchasing the full block of the month kit is right for you. If you, however, prefer to break it into small, manageable bits, we take the block of the month and we cut it into monthly packages. So every month you're getting that step for the month and just the fabric you need. In the last month, you'll receive your borders and binding. Now, all block of the month kits include all the fabric you need for the quilt top plus the binding. When you're ordering your block of the month, if you do it online, you'll see that you have the option to purchase insurance bundles. So fat eighths or fat quarters of the fabric in your block of the month. This gives people, I think most often, just some peace of mind. If you make a cutting error, there's some extra fabric there. And in the end, if you have fabric left over, you could make shams or pillowcases or decorative cushions to go with your quilt. If you choose to go the monthly route, you'll pay a $25 registration fee, and then we'll call you to collect your credit card number. We'll charge your credit card automatically every month, and then you can either pick up your block of the month for the month, or we do ship for block of the month as well. It's important to note that when you register for a monthly block of the month, we cut your whole kit at once, we put your name on it, and it's reserved for you. That's make sure that the fabric is the same and that the dye lot remains the same for your whole kit. Our website has all the information you need for each individual block of the months. They run for different lengths. There might be a 6-month block of the month, there might be a 12-month block of the month, and everything in between. They also have different start dates. So most often you'll find on our website pre-orders for block of the months. So you're registering and saving that block of the month for you. Same thing with the full kits. You're pre-ordering that kit. We know how many to cut and how much fabric to order. So you will see also on the website the different sizes or colors that are available. For instance, Field and Furrows comes in bright and neutral, so you'll get to pick. Sometimes the block of the months are available in queen or king size. Sometimes they have options for different borders. Speaking of borders, you might want to consider when you're ordering your block of the month to order your backing and your batting at the same time. That way you can coordinate. You'll find on the website the cost per month if you're doing the monthly plan, and any rulers or tools that you need to complete the project. Often the block of the months are put out by pattern designers and fabric companies who collaborate. And someone like, let's say, Studio 180 Designs, Deb Tucker, she'll use one of her Tucker tools to help you be successful for your block of the month. And we list that on the website if there's something that is required. We'll also tell you if there's something that they suggest. You can make it without, but it might make it easier to do the project. Also on the website, you'll find any methods that are used. Is it paper pieced? Does it involve applique? Is it just a piece quilt? Or, all the rage now, pre-fused applique. McKenna Ryan is famous for that. So, I hope you've learned a little bit about block of the months. And if you didn't know, I hope this fills you in. You can find all the information about our block of the month programs on the website. We have all the rules and all the different options for you there. Thanks for joining me for How Tuesday and learning all about the block of the month. Lori's Country Cottage always has several block of the month programs running, and you can choose to buy the full kits and do your program all at once or choose the monthly installments, whichever works best for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please click below to subscribe and ring the little bell to get notifications whenever we post a new video.